welcome back to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoonie Stitcher. We're not in the stitchery today. We're in my bedroom till further notice. Okay, so this video is super random. I've got all kinds of stuff for you. I've got stuff I got from Amazon last month. I've got some of my Christmas plans. I've got a project that I was working on that I wasn't allowed to tell anybody about until now. Yeah, I've got all kinds of stuff in this video, so sit back, relax. This is a vlog. So first, I'm going to talk about some stuff I got from Amazon. First of all, I got this book, which is from Crochet Corner here on YouTube. I will link them down below. This is a crochet planner, and oh my goodness, is this thing amazing. I haven't actually written in it yet. Do you guys want me to do a flip through with this and show you guys what's inside? Because the pictures on Amazon don't show you everything. If you want me to do a flip through on this book, put the word teacup in all caps somewhere in the comment section. Okay? Next, I got some hooks. I ordered these a long time ago, and there is a third one that should be coming. And I will probably insert that somewhere in this video when it shows up. No, I am still sticking to my no spend month. I will link the video in the description box if you want to know what that's about. It's my June challenge. But I ordered these last month and they're arriving this month. So this one is an Omi hook, and I call this my Barbie hook because seriously, does this not look like Barbie? This looks like Barbie. Yeah, so this is my Barbie hook. This is a 6mm. This is an Omi, O-M-M-I. It is a company that is from Amazon, and I was told by Amazon that actually this is an Amazon product, like an Amazon company. So I don't know if that's true or not, but somebody who works there think it is. So this one is, I don't know the company. I will put the picture up here somewhere. So if you don't know, I've been trying to find a substitute for my favorite hook in the world, which is the Yarnology by Hobby Lobby, and it was discontinued I think in 2018. I have one. I have a 7mm and it's purple, and oh, I'll just show it to you actually. Ta-da! So this is my favorite hook ever. This is a Yarnology by Hobby Lobby. I believe it was discontinued in 2018, and I'm looking everywhere for this shape to get more because I only have one. This is a 7mm, it's all I've got. So I ordered an 8mm in whatever this company is because it's close. Look. See how it goes straight and then goes out? Well, that does the same thing. The head is a little different, but it's not too different. I have to say, this one has a tiny bit of weight to it, but this one feels like nothing. This one is so light. It's really smooth though. I don't feel like any nicks. The only thing I don't like, I am not a fan of the fact that the engraved size is where my thumb goes because I'm a knife gripper. Luckily I do choke on my hooks, so my thumb could go a little bit higher, but most people, that's your thumb rest. That is not comfortable for a thumb rest. I mean, this will leave an imprint in your fingers. I don't know if you guys can see. Anyway, just take my word for it if you can't see. So I'm still looking. So I got this one to try. I kind of like it. I used it for a part of my Broadway Bear. I used it for the hair, and I like it. It's not bad. The only thing I don't like is that, you know, that it's right where your thumb goes. Now, if you're a pencil gripper, yeah, you're fine. Pencil grippers, this is fine. So, still looking for something like this. If you guys know anybody selling these or anything like that, please email me. because I really do want more of the Yarnology ones. So, thank you. Okay, next we have some 9mm safety eyes. That's it. They're just 9mm. That's really all it is. But I hate these backs, so I don't have it here, but I ordered the really substantial backs because these little brown ones I hate these. And then I ordered, because I saw other people using them and I thought they looked so cool, I ordered oval safety eyes, which can also be used as noses. But I thought it was such a cool idea, so I ordered some of those. I was asked to be a pattern tester by my friend Sarah over at Crimson and Wool. If you haven't already, please check out her channel. I have made several dolls by her, but she asked me to be a pattern tester for her newest doll, which is based on Disney's Rapunzel, but she's called the Tower Princess. So she has a tutorial on YouTube. If I can, I will link it below. And she has a pattern on her Etsy shop, which is really great because the pattern is really, really good to buy, because then you can watch the video, and if you were confused on like attaching something or something like that, she shows you exactly how in the video. So I would say that both are the way to go. But anyway, here she is. Ta-da! Now her eyes are a little bit smaller because I didn't have 9mm safety eyes, hence my purchase. So this is her. Doesn't she make the cutest patterns? Oh my gosh. Sarah, I don't know how you do this. I love them so much. I'm obsessed with this doll pattern. If you have not seen, I have made so many dolls. Go check out my Instagram. I have made so many dolls that are based on her basic doll pattern because she's amazing. And I still really want to make her baby Groot. Isn't she just the cutest little thing? I want to make her like a little mini frying pan so badly. If you know, you know. So that is her. And she was really easy to make. So easy. She has all kinds of videos on her channel. She has characters from Marvel. She's got characters from movies. She's got a doll that you can actually like dress up. All kinds of videos on her channel. All kinds of different creations. I highly recommend her channel. Also go check out her Etsy shop, because the stuff that's not on her channel is usually a written pattern, and she's only making more. Please go check her out. Aren't these little dolls so amazing? These are the cutest things. Sarah, you designed the best dolls. This is the woman that convinced me I could, one, make dolls at all, and design my own. So I love her patterns so much. Go to her Etsy shop, go to her YouTube channel. Seriously, if you've never made anything by Crimson and Wool, do it. You won't regret making these little dolls. Thank you, Sarah. It was a joy to test her. I love her so much. I think she needs Pascal though. Hint, hint. So I'm also working on Chef Louis from the Little Mermaid collection. And if you didn't see in one of my other videos, I also have Harold, the seahorse, Vanessa. I made Flounder, but he is not part of the collection because he is a different shape. Flotsam and Jetsam. Okay, so once I finish Chef Louis, that will be all for the Little Mermaid collection. Well, I say that, but who knows? Oh yeah, and sorry, Ursula, still working on her. It is time to get ready. Christmas 2023. Don't shut the video off. It's not what you think. This is my book for people I have to make stuff for, people I need to buy stuff for, and yeah, this has nothing to do with stuff for the channel. It has nothing to do with making Christmassy items. This is Christmas gifts. So, and a couple of Christmas commissions that people want me to make. So I highly, highly recommend, if you have not started yet, get yourself a notebook. This is just a notebook. I think it was like 24 cents during a Walmart sale one time. I mean, this is nothing. This is just a notebook. And I added the word Christmas on it. I mean, you know. And notice there's a dash because there's no way that just 2023 is going to fit in here. It's way too thick for just 2023. So I'm going to continue this for probably the next 2 years. I think there's enough space in here for 2 years. This is my Christmas notebook. I highly, highly recommend, if you have not done one, get yourself a notebook. List all the people that you need to buy for. I don't want you guys to see my friends' names, but I can show you this. Okay, I've got 2 columns, family and friends. And then I have rules for myself, if you care. Once you start crocheting the present, unless it's stressing you out, do not change your mind. Keep it small, not necessarily the item itself, but the length of the project. And do not overwhelm yourself. And then I have a goal for all crocheted gifts to be done by October 1st. That is just my stuff. I'm sorry if you hear my phone in the background. We have a landline. Anyway, that is just my deadline. You don't have to use that. I just like to have all of my Christmas gifts done by the end of summer, beginning of fall, because then in the fall and winter, I can make whatever I want, and I don't have to worry about rushing to make something. Plus, you know, there's always those people that sneak up on you, and it's like, oh, I wanted to make something for them. Well, if you're done with everybody else, you have time. So what I do is, especially if it's a family, I have them blocked out on the page. So let me see if I have any that don't have any like writing on it. All right, so here's an example. Obviously mine doesn't look like this exactly, but I don't want you guys to see any of my family or friends' names. So I put, let's say that you're making for an entire family. I put the family's name at the top, and then I split the page into blocks for each person. That also limits on what I can make or get them, so we don't go overboard. Aha, yeah. So the family's name is at the top, and then everybody is listed on the page, depending on how many family members there are. So let's say, you know, mom, dad, and 4 kids. Okay? So then you list out things just in their block. So if you go beyond the block, maybe hold some stuff back for next year. But it's up to you. If you want to go overboard, go overboard. You know, my friends have kids, and I always go overboard for their kids, so, you know. But I highly recommend getting yourself a notebook and start organizing now. And also start making stuff now. You'll thank me later. That is all I have for you today. This was just a vlog to tell you what was coming up on the channel and what I am doing right now. So that is how I spend my summer. I work on Christmas gifts, and yeah. So thank you so much for joining me today. Please like, share, and subscribe to the Yarn Zebra family. I would love to have you come back. I've got all kinds of videos on my channel, several of which are linked in the description box below. Please turn on your notification bell so you know every time I post a new video. I don't stick to a schedule, so if you don't turn that on, you'll miss one. thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you liked my little vlog. Please go check out Sarah's YouTube channel and her Etsy shop. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you had fun. Let me know if you like anything you saw, or let me know if you want me to do a flip through on that video. Please talk to me in the comments. I love when you guys talk to me in the comments, or email me. That's also good. Remember, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up too. Bye.